Hey everyone, it's Miss Johnson. Let's get started on our math lesson for today. So now that you guys know all about shapes, yesterday you learned how to partition or cut shapes into different parts. Well, today we're going to learn about when we cut a shape or partition a shape into two equal parts, we make halves. So I'm going to start by using our cool geoboard again today. Now I'm going to make a rectangle out of this orange rubber band. I love the color orange. Here we go. I've got four sides, four vertices, and these two sides are longer than these two sides. So I've made a rectangle. Now, I have not cut this shape into any pieces yet. So right now, this is a whole shape. It is one whole shape. But let's see if we can partition this rectangle into two equal parts to make halves. I'm going to pull out my purple rubber band because that's my second favorite color. Okay, so I'm going to see here. I'm going to cut it right down the middle right here. Hey, I have cut it into two equal parts, so I have cut it into halves. Right now I've got one half up here and one half down here. These two halves together make up the whole shape. Hey, super cool. Now, I know that they're halves because they're the same. They are two equal parts. But let's see, I'm going to take away that rubber band and I'm going to see if I can cut it in half down the middle, going from top to bottom. So I'm going to pull my purple rubber band up. And I've stretched it. Okay, cool. So my purple rubber band goes from the top to the bottom. But wait a second. Are these two equal parts? Ooh, no. This part over here is much bigger than this part over here. I have not split this shape into halves. Looks like if I had another little knob right here that I could work with my geoboard, I maybe could get that right down the half. But my geoboard's not going to let me do that right now. But I do know that if I bring that rubber band back from this side to this side, I have split it into two halves because both of these sides are equal parts. Okay, guys, your job in your independent work today is to look at the worksheet that I've given you and see if you can pick out the shapes that have been partitioned into halves or into two equal parts. Then you're going to fill in the sentence, I know a shape is partitioned into halves when... If you need help filling that in, take another look at this video. Good luck, guys!